Okay, well, the commodity prices, for example, gold, we think gold is in good shape right now, 1680, 1700. We think that gold will continue to rise. Copper and the other base metals, copper in pretty good shape. We think that is stable, but probably continue to rise for next year. Lead and zinc and nickel have all come off quite a bit in the last year or so. We would expect them to increase next year, the next couple of years, as demand improves and recovers. And the bulk commodities, that's iron ore, metallurgical coal, thermal coal, again, they've tumbled quite a lot, and we would expect them to be stable now and probably increase gradually over the next year or two. Well, it has a very significant impact on Indonesia so far, because you've had the thermal coal price off, metallurgical coal price off, you've had nickel prices have come off, so therefore that's had a significant impact on Indonesia. Copper and gold prices have stayed up, so the copper and gold exports not so bad, but the bulk commodities have definitely impacted on Indonesia's export earnings. As the Minister said this morning, very good shape. Taking a long-term view, Indonesia is one of the fastest growing economies here in Asia, in this part of the world, second only to China in terms of economic growth. And it's got all of the right ingredients. It's got a good population, it's had good growth, it's developing infrastructure, it's got a growing capital market, it's got very good technical and financial capability, and it's got a very good resource base. So it's got very good natural resource base. So the prospects for Indonesia are excellent. In terms of the obstacles, if you like, of course there are always issues that come up, no question about that. Infrastructure is an issue, investing in infrastructure, foreign investment. It's always important to be able to attract foreign investment, so you've got to make your rules and regulations sufficiently attractive to get that foreign capital. Yes, it's a growing capital market here in Indonesia for domestic capital, but it's impossible to make all of the investments, the public investment and the private investments, it's impossible with simply the domestic capital. You have to attract foreign capital. Australia's been doing that for 200 years, attracting foreign capital to grow its mining and resources business. Generally, you have to have an attractive capital, an attractive environment, business environment, to get the foreign investors, and to be able to do that, you need stability, you need security, you don't need lots of volatility and changing direction, changing the rules, changing the regulations. That's what you don't need. You need that sort of stability and a competitive environment. We're not looking for any tax breaks here or anything like that. You don't want anything that's better than anywhere else in the world. You simply want a competitive environment.